Continuing on, CNC Group Break 672, 1 to 11, 12 Black Diamond and Heroes and Prospects. Bonus pack first.
The ice pack one.
Nice, yeah. Nice. We got an Ice Premieres, number to 499 for the New Jersey Devils, Adam Larson.
Okay.
Very well. Triple Diamond for the Ottawa Senators, Jason Spezza. Base. Double Diamond for the Blackhawks, Duncan Keith. Base. Triple Diamond for the Flames, Mika Kiprasov. Base. Double Diamond for the Avalanche, Paul Stastny. Base. Well, that stack was horrible. That just means the last two stacks are going to have a crap ton of stuff. Triple Diamond for the Flyers, Braden Shen. We've got a Double Diamond Ruby, numbered 61 of 100 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Marian Hossa. Big Hoss. Double Diamond for the Blues, David Backes. Quad Diamond Rookie for the Philadelphia Flyers, Matt Reed. Matt Reed. Double Diamond for the Hurricanes, Eric Stahl. Base. Triple Diamond Rookie for the Columbus Blue Jackets, John Moore. Dual Jersey for the Vancouver Canucks, Alex Edler. Triple Diamond for the Leafs, Dion Phaneuf. Base. Double Diamond for the Senators, Erik Karlsson. Okay. We've got an extra Quad Diamond Rookie. This one's a little better for the Vancouver Canucks, Cody Hodgson, formerly.
Yeah. Still goes to the Vancouver, though, right?
Yeah, still Vancouver. Whatever team logo is on the card. Double Diamond for the Flyers, Jakub Voracek. Triple Diamond Rookie for the Philadelphia Flyers, Eric Gustafson. We've got a dual jersey for the Boston Bruins, Tuukka Rask. And base. So now we're on to the 11-12 Heroes and Prospects. I foresee a bunch of randoms. But that's okay, as long as it's Yakupov.
Yes. Is it this year's?
What's that?
This year's?
Let's wait on that.
You guys still out of this year's?
This year hasn't come out yet. 10-11, we're out.
Yeah.
Alright. That's a good start. We've got a Moving Up dual jersey. Numbered 1 of 50 for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Rick Nash. We've got an autograph, which will be a random as he is draft eligible, Slater Koekkoek. I am literally just guessing at his name.
Never heard that name before.
I've heard it many a time, but I've heard it pronounced every possible way under the sun. I'm not sure which one to believe.
Yeah, for sure.
Koekkoek sounds right. Calder Cup champions for the Ottawa Senators, Colin Greening.
Pulling a Yakupov autos out of here.
2.
Really?
2 Yakupov autos.
Nice.
We've got a 2-color game used jersey black for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Boone Jenner. Boone Jenner. The generator. Base. Base. Base.
Biggest base set. It was
150.
150.
Boom! We've got a class of 2012, which will be a random between everyone else. For your Kitchener Rangers, Radek. Faxa. Number 3. Not likely, but possible. He's a top 10 pick. So there we go. So whoever ends up from that, with that, you'll be hearing from me. We've got an autograph of Philippe Danault. I can't remember who drafted him. Philippe Danault. Base. 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 We've got a Net Prospects jersey silver, numbered 1/40 for the LA Kings, Martin Jones. Martin Jones.
It's got to be something this last
Is that?
Should be something this last
Memorial Cup champions for the Florida Panthers, Jonathan Huberdeau. Successful box is successful. Okay, up next, Decades in Canada versus